Hello guys, Thomas Team A here, and this is episode 6 of Cave Technology. And I've shifted some things about, as you can see. So we'll have a quick tour of what I've done off camera. And we've got some immersive engineering going. I've moved our storage. So we've got lots of iron chests running around. They're being piped in on the simple network. And we've got drawer controllers, which are all locked to the certain types of ores, ingots, diamonds, rubies, and other kind of stuff. Made a few different things. Stone cutter. Got a smithing table. I think everything else was already done. So obviously last episode we made this. I've had it turned off. I've just started it back up again. So that's that. Anyway, so we've got immersive engineering, 3 wheels in there. We have our low voltage capacitor, so I don't know whether this is going to make enough for what I want to do this episode. Obviously I made the coke oven, then I made the blast furnace because we need a whole load of steel for what's coming up, which I have made some things. So over here I want to set up and have a look. We want to set up a pump, but we need to put sample drill on and see if we can see if we've got anything around here. To get it connected on at some point. Might not go on there. It does go on. Got to put a thingamabob on the end, am I? There we go. So I think if we hit this, we should get a sample of whether we've got any oil, because that's what we want, is oil. Okay. There's our sample. No fluid reservoirs, no minerals. Not good. Right, okay. All right, let's pop it in the middle. Pop that on it. Go from there to there. Okay. Let's try it now. So that's not very good, that one. So I presume it's probably done in chunks. I don't know how you get a chunk border up. Okay. Nothing. So I do know where there's some, but I didn't want to put this there. Okay, how do you get the chunk border up? 8. No, is that it? Yeah, so I think that's probably one chunk there. Okay, what a shame. Let's try and pop it here and see if there's anything in that chunk. Then I'd have to knock that down. Is that a chunk? That classed as a chunk? Yes, I think it is, isn't it? So over here here or here should be another chunk. I can always take the wall out a bit further, can't I? So, okay, so let's try. I'll have to Google this and see whether it's right what I'm talking about. Okay. So we've got 2. No fluid at all. Okay, what's that one got? No fluid. Right. So, bugger. Okay. That can stay there anyway. Let's get rid of what? That's F9. Chunks. Right, so we were out of that chunk there. We could put it here if there is anything. Just want to try them all. Let's get rid of that. What is that other one? Don't know how to get rid of the F9. Right. Has this got anything in it? Yes. So we've got oil there. We've got 8 million buckets. I don't know how much that is, but we have oil here. We have oil over there. Do I want? Yeah. Where it's going to have to go. So I've got this thing, pump jack projector. Okay. How do I turn it round? I turn it around. Does that go sideways like that? Turn around. Ah, rotate. Got it. That way. Let's put you there. Okay. So we need, I think, not sure what half of this stuff is, but where's it gone? Oh, why didn't you stay there? Is that because I moved that out of my okay. Got automatic climbing on, haven't I? Didn't have that before. Oh, it's scaffold, isn't it? That's why. Yeah, annoying. Don't know what that is in between, if anything. Can't really see it. Is it one of those? No, that can't be it, can it? So that is one of those. really can't make out what that's supposed to be there. There's a heavy engineering block. Looks like it's got a hole in it there. Is it? Is that it? Okay, so we've gone up to the next level, so that must be it. Okay, so we've got another one of those. That has got to be one of those. Is that another one of those? Fences. Okay. Another fence. Another fence. So is that the wrong one now? Maybe that's a heavy. Got a red line around it. Is that it? I don't know. No, I don't think so. Ah. What else have we got to make then? What's us? Showing something there, isn't it? That's a steel block. Can I pop that in there then? And that's those. Is there a light engineering block supposed to go anywhere else? Ooh, what's all that supposed to be? Oh, I don't know what's going on. Right guys, I'll be back in a minute. It's supposed to be easy with that thing. Alright guys, I'm back. So I ended up watching a video because I couldn't really see what was going on there. So 2 steel blocks, 4 steel sheet blocks, 2 heavy engineering blocks, and I think if we click this middle one, we should have it. Look at that. That is a piece of engineering for you, isn't it? Eh? Right. So I think we pump the oil out of here and we power it over here, which is kind of the wrong way around, but I presume that's power input. Yeah, wonder if we can power it. No, so I might need to take that down over there, pop it over here, I think. Okay. still don't think that's going to get to it there. Maybe about here. Okay. Pop one of those on there. Get up the top of there now, don't I? And we'll pop one of those on. And we'll build that other thing in a minute. Okay, we are, there is our coils. So we should be able to go hopefully from there down to there. And from there over to there. Hopefully that will power this. It doesn't seem to be powering it, does it? Why is that? Why is that? That's got to be the power point, hasn't it? Oh, maybe that's it up there then. There we go. There we go. Okay, I can take that back down. All right, so that is powered. Now I think we need a tank. I wonder if we need an immersive engineering tank. It doesn't say we need a tank, does it? You would have thought it would have given us the engineering book. I don't know how we never get the book. Book. Is it not immersive? Is it not, is it? Oh, double M. Yeah. Come on. That immersive. Okay. What's a book? A book and a lever. Oh, I don't think I can make a book anyway. All right. Let's go and get. If we put one of those on. I wonder if we need to. It's not pumping, is it? No lever. It's a cleaver. Maybe it's spudding is horrific. Right. Got enough power. That's got to be for a redstone signal, hasn't it? It's red. Has it got to have a tank attached? See if that one will work. I don't want to go on there. Okay. Third tank. That seems to be working. 2 tanks. 16 millibuckets. We got power. Nah, it's off. Right. Oh, we got oil going into it, look. Pretty quickly, actually. Power's not enough power, that's for sure. Look at it. Looks like it's got. Looks like frame rate's bad. All right. Okay, so let's. We want some more. I'm going to put this over here. Build this up. Okay. Steel scaffold. Then on top of that, we whack a hopper. And that should be that. Okay. And I've got a couple of preheaters. Light those up. They go there. And I think yeah, they need power. But both of them need power, I'm unsure. If I pop a lamp post up there, pop that on there, go from there to there. Can I go? I don't think it's going to let me No. Let's pop it there. Still don't think that's going to get there, is it? How annoying is that? Why doesn't this hammer break anything any very quickly? That's a load of rubbish as well. Try and make things tidy and you can. Okay, so I think we're going to have to put this around here. And then we will pop that on the top. And we will elevate the weight. Go from there to there, and there to there. And from there to there. Well, that is filling up again, and these have got power. So I don't know what we do here. Let's go get some iron, and I presume coal coke. Only one coal coke and some iron. Coal coke goes in, some iron goes in. So this, I think, is quicker. Do we get slag left over from this? We do. So that is quicker, and power is staying up. So we might have to put the coke oven in here and then try and alternate this with coal coming from there. I only really want this to be able to make what's it called? What we need to make. We need to make crude oil. So a bucket of crude oil, then we need a distillation tower, which is a lot of iron and a lot of steel. Anyway, we're 28 minutes in, so I think that'll do for this episode. Immersive engineering, we've got the Jackpump up and running, and we've got a heater, advanced heater, and we've got crude oil. Let's see if have I got a bucket in my backpack. Let's get ourselves a bucket of crude oil, and we can we can't take that out of there. Rubbish tank. Okay, I'm going to look up, I'm going to get a book. Let's see if we can make a book. Get the immersive engineering book and make an immersive engineering tank quickly, as we've got a couple of minutes. Got the quest book, got network guide book. I'm pretty sure I got a piece of leather. Yeah. Should be able to change this to just like mod. Okay, where's the book? There's the book. Right, book. Immersive engineering book. We'll see what tank takes. Powers, wires, generators, tools, simple machinery, heavy machinery, oil processing, distillation tower, motorboat. Fluid reservoirs. While mining near bedrock, occasionally notice full sample drill. Aquifer. Oil reservoir is the type of fluid reservoir that can be found at a... Don't want that. Construction. Silo. Tank. Okay. Tank is a multi-block that provides space. All that red one is. Custom bottom center block, applying a redstone single. Bottom center block will make the tank output automatically. Right guys, I'm back. So where are we going? Over here. So I have to make some more pipes, but I figure the tank, I don't know how big it can go. I think we got to go like that, like that, like that, and like that. It will probably end up moving most of this stuff. One of those there. Okay, I think should be able to leave the middle. So we're leaving a hole in the middle. We go at 2 empty ones, 3 empty ones, so it's 4 high. Okay. Two. 3. 4. Was the 4th one. But then so 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 4th one was a fill-in. I think that should do it. Right. That connected on down there? No. Where's our hammer? I don't know where we hit with a hammer, but we'll hit it. Yes, yes, and that's connected. Okay. So let's turn this back on, see how long it'll go for. And we've got oil going in. All right. So how we get that out of there, I don't know. That's probably going to run out of power, isn't it? Sure, I put more iron in that. I'm pretty sure iron disappears in when you put it in the blast furnace. So, okay, next on the list, that is stopped. Okay, that can I get? Yes, I got it. Task complete. Crude oil. Nice. Right. Okay. Refinery. I haven't built a refinery, but I'll take that anyway. Built a pump jack. Probably want to build a diesel generator actually, don't we? We haven't got any diesel though. Is that what this turns into? Lubricant, gasoline, sulfurized diesel. And we got another bucket of crude oil. So the next thing is distillation. Distillation towers are large 4 by 16 by 4 multi-block used to process fluids into other fluids. Primary use to convert crude oil into usable diesel and gasoline, fuels and lubricants, creating bitumen as a byproduct. So that is next episode. I'll get everything built up for that. I don't know whether to make the diesel generator. Use a water bucket, sheet steel, copper, that's all right. Heavy engineering blocks we can make, I've already done that. Generator block, kinetic dynamo, I've made one of those, so we can do that. So I can remake 6 steel scaffold, can do that. I don't know how noisy the generator is, but once we've got the other things set up, we're going to want power, aren't we? Definitely got nowhere near enough power. I might have to make another water wheel over here, power this, or a windmill. But I don't know whether a windmill works. Wind generator on immersive engineering. So we may well make one of those. Immersive engineering windmill. See whether it works. I don't know, we'll have to dig out a fair bit. Anyway guys, that's that for that episode. Immersive engineering sorted out. Get your butt back in there, that's it. Alright, thanks for watching guys. Please like or subscribe, and I'll see you in the next episode. Goodbye.